Namaste children, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from Madhuban Saral Hindi Pathmala, Class 5, Chapter 8, Hamari Now Chali. So now means boat. Our boat moves. That is the story. It's a poem. Let's go to the poem. आओ भैया तुम्हें सुनाए सुंदर एक कहानी मगर नहीं राजा रानी की पर है बहुत पुरानी. So come brother, let's tell you a beautiful story, but it's not about the king or queen, but it's a very rather old story. छोटी छोटी नावें देखो हमको सैर कराती, पानी पर अकेली करती, सभी और ले जाती. So small boats that takes us ahead. पानी पर अकेली करती, playing in the water, it takes us to all the directions. सभी और means all the directions it takes us. कुछ पुरखे थे बसे हमारे नदियों के ही तीर, कंद मूल फल खाकर जीते पीते निर्मल नीर. Purki refers to our ancestors. So few of our ancestors, they were visiting their houses on the seashore. Tir means shore. नदियों की तीर means seashore. कंदमूल फल खाकर जीते पीते निर्मल नीर. So they used to eat the bulbous root, the fruits, eating everything, and they drank the purified water. सोचो तो जब नाव नहीं थी तब हम क्या कर सकते? लंबी लंबी गहरी नदियां कैसे पार उतरते? So just think about for a second, when there was no boat existed on those days, then what we would have been doing? So how we would have crossed the long and the deepest rivers? How we would have crossed? पार उतरना means to cross. लड़के खेला करते थे नित्य बैठी नदी किनारे, फिर कभी कुछ पार उतरते कुछ रहते मन मारे. So the boys used to play daily where sitting on the river shore. फिर कभी कुछ पार उतरते, so few swim and they used to cross the river, and few who doesn't know to swim, they just sit silently and they just look at the person crossing the river. एक खिलाड़ी लड़का आया लिए पेड़ की टहनी, जोर लगा पानी में फेंकी रही तैरती टहनी. So one playful boy came that way and he just took a little branch of a tree and with forcefully he just threw that branch in the water, and we saw that branch was swimming, floating. हुआ अचंबा सबको बेहद, टहनी जरा न डूबी, इधर उधर मंडराती जाती, यही थी उसकी खूबी. So when that small branch was being thrown in the water, we all got shocked. Why? So this branch, it never got immersed into the water, and it was going here and there. Mandrati means it going wavering here and there. So that was the beauty of the branch. लड़की सब हो गई इकट्ठे करने की किलवाड़, लगी फेंकने लंबी शाखें, पीपल हो या ताड़. So the boys gathered in that place, and as a playful activity, so they just took long branches and they just threw it in the water. It could be a people, it could be tar trees. So never mind, they were throwing all the branches in the water. वे सब के सब रहे तैरते, बड़े मौज से बहते, लड़के उनको देख खुशी से आपे में क्या करते. So in all the branches which we had been through in the sea or in the river, so they were all floating. So and the boys, seeing that, they became very happy. पानी पर क्या कर सकेगी मोटी लकड़ी बारी, बड़े पेड़ का तना काटने की सब हुई तैयारी. So is that only the branch, little branches will float, or even the thickened branches, the thickened logs will also float in the water, thinking that बड़े पेड़ का तना काटने की तब हुई तैयार. They were all ready to cut the thickened trunks of the tree. रहा तैरता बड़ी शान से बड़े पेड़ का लट्टा, उसके बाद गया तैराया बड़े तने का गट्टा. So what happened? So even the long branches, even the thickened branches also with pride, it was all floating in the water. उसके बाद गया तैराया. So thereafter, even the thickened branch also was swimming, was floating in the water. बनने लगी तभी से नावे, छोटी बड़ी हमारी, पानी से क्यों क्या डर लगता, विजयी हुई थी बारी. So thereafter, so we started to do the nave. That means the boats, small, big, everything. पानी से क्यों डर लगता? So thereafter, there was no scare over the water. We got succeeded. सागर हमने जीत लिया है, छूट गया डर सारा, चले चीरता उसकी छाती, बड़ा जहाज हमारा. So we have won the sea. So we have get rid of the scare. So chale cheerta uski chati. Cheerta means by dragging the water, all the big jahaj, all the big ships also goes, dragging all the water. अगर नहीं वक्त छोटा लड़का टहनी को तैराता, बनती कैसे ये नौका ये, क्या जहाज बन पाता. So if the small boy, so if the small playful boy, so by out of play he didn't throw that particular tehni, the branch in the water, and the tehni and the branch didn't float. Then what happened? Then Banti kaise nauka, and how could this boat would have been made? क्या जहाज बन पाता? So is it possible to for us to make a boat for a ship if the boy doesn't have done that playful activity? That's all the poem all about, and the author name is Dr. S.T. Khatri. So he's the writer. So it's all about how the boat's been made. So with a small boy, out of fun, what he did, now it is in the form of a boat or ship. So children, hope I have given you the explanation in detail. So children, do well and read well. Thank you.